What's up everybody, this is Jet again. Welcome back to Pen and Journal. Such a long time, been so busy with work and our ministries. So a quick recap of the Montblanc 146 that is leaking from the grip section. So over here you can see that I have already disassembled the pen itself, and looking through some of the looking through the internet as I do some research, and I came across this picture of a Montblanc 146 nib. Right, so this is the 146 nib that is from my pen, and the one in the picture I'm going to overlay on the video. It has actually a bit of a sealant right about this area. Right, and as you can see, mine doesn't have it. I believe it deteriorated and came off over time, so that could be one of the reasons of the leak. So if you have gone through my previous video on how I disassemble and assemble this pen, basically this nib will screw in like this, and what it actually does without the nib collar, right, it will actually go into the threads. Right, this thread will interlock with this thread, and if you can show in the camera, this is how I believe it's gonna be without the nib collar. As you can see that over here, if there's a sealant, the ink itself will not have a chance to actually seep out of the nib collar. And I believe that is one of the reasons the pen leak, is that I do not have a sealant here to prevent the ink from coming out. So what I'm gonna do, right, I'm going to do a little bit of experimenting. I have this Preppy O-Ring that I bought from a local shop. I'm just gonna try to just place this into that little, if you can see, this little notch over here. Right, I'm just gonna place it over here, and we are just gonna put some silicone grease on the thread and see how it actually go. Unfortunately, I found out that the Preppy O-Ring is a tad too big, and when I tried to screw in the Nib Unit, I couldn't get a full closure, and I have to abandon this method of trying to solve the leakage problem. And so basically what I did is, looking around in my fountain pen spare stash, I found I actually do have a remaining of this ink sac from a Parker Duofold stripe that I was doing a restoration on. And I got very excited when I noticed that the diameter of this ink sac kind of like fit into that Montblanc 146 nib unit. So cutting off a small little part at the end of it, I did a dry fit, and lo and behold, the fit is pretty good. It's not tight, but I would say it's decent, it's snug, and what else to lose? Let's give it a go and see if it works. So anyway, I remove it again to trim it off, to cut it better, to cut it straight, so that the entire improvised O-ring is able to fit more properly into that notch, into the groove notch of the nib unit. And in goes the silicone grease. I assemble it back, and if you're not too sure how to assemble a Montblanc 146, please click on the link somewhere in the video. I'll link it up for you guys, and I'll update you guys as in how this pen restoration, whether it'll be successful or not, we're not too sure about it, but I got this feeling that this improvised O-ring is able to solve the issue of the ink leaking out into the grip section barrel area. So once again, thank you so much for supporting this channel. I've been away for so long, well, about a month. But I'm thankful for the loyal supporters. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, subscribe to this channel, share this video, put your thoughts below in the comments and let me know what you think. Thank you so much once again, everyone. Please take care, God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next one.